Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. If you thought the Tesla Model 3 had already hit its peak, think again. The 2026 model is here, and it's bringing some serious upgrades. Whether you're a longtime EV fan or just curious about what Tesla's been up to, this one's worth a look. Let's dive in. Design. The 2026 Model 3 gets a sleek refresh. It's more refined, more aerodynamic, and yes, those sharper lines give it a more premium feel. Tesla trimmed down the front fascia and gave it a cleaner, more modern look. It's subtle, but it works. And inside? It's all about minimalism, with new sustainable materials and an even quieter cabin, thanks to improved insulation. Performance. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the dual-motor setup delivers instant torque and smooth acceleration. 0 to 60 in just under 4 seconds on the performance trim. Tesla also tweaked the suspension for a smoother, more responsive ride. It's still fun, but now it feels more planted and refined. Features and technology. The 2026 Model 3 is smarter than ever. Tesla's updated Autopilot system now handles lane changes and merges more naturally, and the full self-driving beta continues to improve, though, as always, keep your hands on the wheel. The new touchscreen is brighter, faster, and controls just about everything. Plus, wireless Apple CarPlay is finally here, no more workarounds. Conclusion. All in all, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 is a polished, smarter version of what was already a standout EV. If you're looking for cutting-edge tech, performance, and daily drivability in one sleek package, this could be it. What do you think? Is Tesla still leading the EV game? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world car reviews right here on Next Gen Reviews. Catch you in the next one.